The pursuit of happiness is a lifelong journey, and it requires intentional effort and choices. It is about finding fulfillment, contentment, and joy in the present moment, regardless of external circumstances. To make a happy life, focus on the things within your control. Nurture positive relationships, surround yourself with supportive and uplifting people, and invest in meaningful connections. Choose to engage in activities that bring you joy, ignite your passions, and align with your values. Take care of your physical and mental well-being. Prioritize self-care, practice gratitude, and cultivate a positive mindset. Set goals and work towards them with determination and perseverance, but also embrace the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Life may present challenges and setbacks, but how you respond to them and the perspective you choose to adopt can make all the difference. Your comfort zone may feel cozy and secure, but it is also a place of stagnation. Growth and personal development occur when you step outside of that comfort zone, embracing the unknown and challenging yourself to new experiences. By venturing into unfamiliar territory, you open yourself up to new perspectives, skills, and possibilities that can transform your life in ways you never imagined. Do not be afraid, soldier, to take risks and embrace the unknown. Step out of the shadows of your comfort zone and into the light of adventure and personal growth. Remember, soldier, the extraordinary lies just beyond the borders of the ordinary. Life is meant to be lived to the fullest, and that requires embracing the unknown and stretching beyond what feels comfortable. So, muster your courage, soldier, and take that leap into the unknown. Embrace the challenges, seek new horizons, and discover the exhilaration that awaits you at the end of your comfort zone. When something truly matters to you, when it holds significance in your heart and aligns with your values, you will go to great lengths to make it happen. You will overcome obstacles, find solutions, and persevere through challenges because the importance of your goal propels you forward. On the other hand, if you find yourself constantly making excuses, procrastinating, or avoiding the necessary actions, it may be an indication that your commitment to that particular goal or aspiration is lacking. It is crucial to be honest with yourself and recognize whether your motivations are genuine. Soldier, take a moment to reflect on what truly matters to you. Identify your passions, your values, and the objectives that resonate deeply within you. When you have a clear understanding of what is important, let that knowledge guide your actions. Dedicate your time, energy, and resources to the things that truly matter. When you share your goals and aspirations with others, some may scoff, doubt, or belittle them. But instead of being discouraged, take it as a sign that your goals are stretching the boundaries of what is considered ordinary or conventional. It means you are thinking beyond the limits, pushing yourself to reach new heights. True growth and accomplishment come from stepping outside your comfort zone and daring to pursue goals that may seem unreachable or even laughable to others. It is in those moments of daring and audacity that you unleash your full potential and discover the extent of your capabilities. So, soldier, do not be afraid to set lofty goals that ignite your passion and inspire you to become the best version of yourself. Embrace the challenge of pursuing something extraordinary, even if it seems daunting or impossible to others. Dream big, soldier. Set goals that make others raise an eyebrow. Let the laughter of skeptics fuel your determination and drive you forward on the path to greatness. Soldier, in a world that often feels dark and uncertain, remember the power you possess to illuminate the path for others. Be a beacon of light, spreading positivity, hope, and inspiration wherever you go. Each act of kindness, each word of encouragement, and each gesture of support has the potential to brighten someone's day and make a lasting impact. Your actions have the power to uplift, motivate, and guide those around you. By offering your light to others, you become a source of guidance and inspiration. Your positive energy and attitude can help others find their way through challenges, adversity, and difficult times. Never underestimate the ripple effect of your actions. Even the smallest act of kindness can create a domino effect, inspiring others to pay it forward and create a chain of positive change. Soldier, make it your mission to give light in every interaction, whether it's with friends, family, colleagues, or strangers. When faced with difficult tasks or daunting goals, it's important to push through the initial struggles. Every step you take, every effort you make, brings you one step closer to mastery. The challenges you face today will shape you into a stronger, more capable individual. Every time you face adversity and choose to persist, you build resilience. You develop a mental and emotional strength that will serve you well in future endeavors. So, soldier, do not be discouraged by the current difficulties you face. Instead, embrace them as stepping stones to your ultimate success. Stay focused, stay determined, and stay committed to your goals. With each passing day, each stride forward, you are growing stronger and more capable. Your perseverance will lead you to new heights, and what once felt impossible will become second nature. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never give up. You have the strength within you to conquer any obstacle and achieve greatness. The path to success is seldom a straight line. It is filled with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Progress may appear slow at times, but what truly matters is that you keep moving forward. Even the smallest steps taken consistently will lead you closer to your goals. Do not be discouraged by the pace of your progress. Focus on the journey, not just the destination. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a testament to your commitment and resilience. Celebrate every milestone, no matter how insignificant it may seem. In moments of doubt or weariness, remind yourself of your purpose and the reasons why you embarked on this journey. Let your passion fuel your perseverance, and let your determination keep you going no matter how slow the progress may seem. Stay focused, soldier. Stay disciplined. And above all, remember that it is better to move slowly but steadily than to remain stagnant. Keep your eyes on the horizon, and with each step, bring yourself closer to the victory that awaits. Success should never be taken for granted, as it is not a permanent state. It is important to celebrate your achievements and acknowledge the hard work and dedication that led you there. However, do not become complacent or rest on your laurels. On the other hand, failure should not be seen as a definitive defeat. It is a natural part of life and a valuable teacher. Embrace your failures as opportunities for learning, growth, and resilience. Each failure presents a chance to reassess, adapt, and come back stronger. What truly matters, soldier, is the courage to continue despite setbacks and obstacles. It is the ability to pick yourself up, dust yourself off, and keep pushing forward with determination and resilience. Remember, soldier, it is not the absence of failure or the finality of success that defines you. It is your unwavering courage, tenacity, and perseverance that truly count. Keep pushing forward, embrace challenges, and never lose sight of your goals. Soldier, I want to remind you that there is beauty in imperfection, brilliance in madness, and value in embracing your unique quirks and individuality. In a world that often seeks conformity, dare to be different and embrace your authenticity. Imperfections are what make us human. They are the marks of our individual experiences and journeys. Embrace your flaws and celebrate them as part of your unique story. Remember that true beauty lies in the acceptance and appreciation of oneself, just as you are. Madness, in its truest sense, can be a catalyst for genius. It is the willingness to explore uncharted territories, think outside the box, and challenge the status quo. Soldier, never fear being ridiculous or unconventional. In a world that often favors conformity and the ordinary, it is those who dare to be different, who embrace their quirks and express their true selves, that leave a lasting impact. In life, we are constantly faced with new experiences, challenges, and perspectives. It is through this continuous journey of learning that we grow, evolve, and become better versions of ourselves. It can be tempting to hold on to beliefs and lessons we have learned in the past. They provide us with a sense of familiarity and comfort. However, clinging to old lessons without considering new information can hinder our growth and limit our understanding of the world. Being open to learning new lessons means being willing to challenge our own beliefs, to question what we think we know, and to embrace the possibility of being wrong. It requires humility, intellectual curiosity, and a genuine desire to seek the truth. So, soldier, Be open-minded. Embrace the opportunity to learn from diverse perspectives, to explore new ideas, and to challenge your own assumptions. Allow yourself to evolve, to refine your understanding, and to integrate new lessons into your ever-expanding knowledge base. Soldier, in the midst of your journey, it is essential to remember that you have the power to make a difference, no matter the circumstances. Embrace the principle of doing what you can, with what you have, where you are. Sometimes the path ahead may seem challenging, resources may be limited, and the conditions may not be ideal. But instead of dwelling on what you lack, focus on utilizing the resources, skills, and opportunities available to you in the present moment. Take inventory of your strengths, talents, and capabilities. Identify the tools at your disposal, whether they are physical, mental, or emotional. Maximize their potential to create positive impact and overcome obstacles. Embrace adaptability and resourcefulness. Learn to make the most of your surroundings and the people around you. Seek collaboration and support from others, leveraging their skills and expertise to accomplish shared goals. Often, we hold ourselves back, waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect set of circumstances, or the perfect level of skill before we begin. But greatness does not come to those who wait. It comes to those who take action, who embrace the challenges, and who are willing to learn and grow along the way. Do not underestimate the power of a single step. Every journey begins with that first stride. It is in that moment of initiation that you declare your commitment to your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations. It is the starting point from which you can build momentum, gain experience, and push yourself to new heights. Remember, soldier, that greatness is not an endpoint, but a continuous pursuit. It is in the process of starting, of striving, and of persisting that you cultivate the qualities that lead to greatness. Embrace the journey, soldier, and let each step forward fuel your determination, resilience, and growth. Soldier, it is crucial to embrace and fully own who you are without hesitation. Being true to yourself is a powerful attribute that allows you to navigate through life with authenticity, confidence, and purpose. Do not be swayed by the opinions or expectations of others. Your identity, your values, and your unique qualities are what make you who you are. Embrace your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and strive for personal growth and self-improvement. Embracing your true self requires self-acceptance and self-love. Understand that you are worthy and deserving of respect and happiness just as you are. Be proud of your individuality and let it shine through in everything you do. It's important to remember that no one else can define your worth or determine your path. Trust in your instincts, listen to your inner voice, and follow the path that aligns with your values and aspirations. Soldier, I want to remind you that there will always be individuals who doubt, criticize, or say that something cannot be done. But remember this, the true measure of determination and resilience lies in the actions of those who defy the naysayers and prove them wrong. When faced with skepticism or negativity, don't let it deter you from pursuing your goals and dreams. Believe in yourself and your abilities. Surround yourself with a supportive network of individuals who uplift and encourage you. Seek inspiration from those who have achieved greatness despite the odds. While it is important to respect differing opinions, don't let the doubts of others hinder your progress or limit your potential. Soldier, be the example. Show others what is possible through your actions and accomplishments. Inspire those around you to pursue their own aspirations and challenge the notion of what can be achieved. In the face of setbacks and failures, it's natural to feel discouraged and question your abilities. But I'm here to remind you that a single defeat does not define your journey or your ultimate outcome. Do not allow a single defeat to overshadow your determination and resilience. It's easy to get caught up in self-doubt and lose sight of your potential. But remember, true strength lies in your ability to rise after falling, to learn from your mistakes, and to keep pushing forward. Every defeat is an opportunity to reassess your approach, to identify areas for improvement, and to come back even stronger. Remember, soldier, A single defeat does not define your worth or your potential. Stay resilient, soldier, and never lose sight of your ultimate goal. You have the power to overcome any obstacle and emerge victorious. Believe in yourself, trust in your abilities, and keep marching forward with unwavering determination. Attention, viewer. As the Master Chief, I have a simple request for you. If you have found value, inspiration, or enjoyment in the video you are currently watching, I kindly ask for your support. Sharing is a powerful act that allows ideas to spread, messages to reach a wider audience, and communities to come together. So, if this video has resonated with you, if it has stirred something within your heart, I encourage you to share it with others. Whether it's through social media, word of mouth, or any other means available to you, your simple act of sharing can make a significant difference. It can reach those who may need this message the most, those who are searching for guidance, motivation, or a renewed sense of purpose. Remember, we are not alone in this journey. Together, we can create a ripple effect that transcends boundaries and brings people together in pursuit of a better tomorrow. So, my friend, if you appreciate the video you are watching, I humbly ask for your support. Share it with others, and let us ignite the flames of inspiration and change within the hearts of many. Together, we can make a lasting impact on the world we share.